Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it above 30% and disable any third-party lock apps so the system behaves predictably. Next, open Settings, then Security, then Fingerprint. Remove every existing record. This clears corrupted templates. Once done, wipe the scanner surface with isopropyl 70% or a microfiber cloth to remove oils, because residue causes enrollment errors. Finally, restart the device to ensure services reload correctly. This prevents software hiccups before you re-enroll your prints. You now re-enroll your fingerprint carefully, and here's how and why it matters. Make sure lighting is steady and your finger is dry so the sensor captures clear ridges. During enrollment, tap slowly and deliberately, covering center, edges, and varying pressure. This teaches the sensor multiple contact shapes. Once the first pass completes, repeat enrollment to strengthen matches and reduce false rejects. Make sure to register the same finger in slightly different positions. This expands the sensor's recognition envelope and boosts reliability. Finish by testing the unlocked fingerprint 10 times across daily conditions, because consistency proves the fix. If you still see failures, clear the system cache partition and check for a software update. Updates often resolve driver bugs. If software fixes fail, perform a factory reset only after backing up data. For persistent hardware faults, consider replacing the screen assembly or fingerprint flex cable. Sensors fail mechanically. If that's impractical, enable alternative secure unlocks like PIN+, Face Unlock as a fallback option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.